Turns out that every single person trying to make a change goes through something called the valley of disappointment. Whether you're trying to go to the gym, trying to build a meditation practice, building your business, as humans, we embark upon a new journey for self-improvement with the expectation that our results are going to grow in a linear manner. So we put in all our efforts and hope to see visible progress in terms of growth, improvement, or transformation. Now, this is where most of us get trapped. Or worse, with no visible outcome in sight, we often feel our efforts are just going to waste, and so we quit. But the truth is, the results don't actually grow in a linear manner. And that is why our expectations rarely match the reality. And any attempt to change our behavior becomes more and more challenging over time. The key understanding we need to have is that we must regard the initial phase as a valley, a stretch that we all have to struggle with at the beginning. But if we persist with our efforts, we will surely make it over to the top. Remember, progress is not linear. It does not steadily improve, but rather it compounds over time. The initial phase where we don't really see any difference is the time when the progress is compounding but not very visible. Only if we hang on to it and continue, the results will appear, and then we will realize how astronomically huge they can get.